Good morning, students. Welcome back. The second part of Lesson 3, Sustainable Development Goals and Policy Measures. This is part 2. Part 1 we have already discussed. The second part, in that, government's flagship programs, Make in India, Skill India and Invest India. These 3 points you have to write. The question can be, explain government's flagship programs under sustainable development. So let us start with Make in India. Make in India, in short you can call MII, is an initiative of the government of India to encourage domestic and foreign companies to manufacture their products in India. This program was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th September 2014. The very important purpose of this initiative is to create healthy environment for investment in 25 focus sectors. The sectors you need not have to give, only you can write 25 sectors of the economy. Make in India focuses on 4 key areas to promote manufacturing. The 4 areas are policy initiative and new processes, robust infrastructure, focus sector, new mindset and approach. The objectives of Make in India are to promote the growth of the manufacturing sector, to increase the investment in manufacturing sector, to enhance the productive capacity, to build best in-class manufacturing infrastructure, encourage large-scale job creation, to improve ease of doing business, to promote skill development, protect and attract high-level intellectual property. These are the objectives of Make in India mission. Now we have to see that what are the achievements of Make in India. The achievements of Make in India you can give in 3 parts. Number 1, foreign direct investment, FDI. Second, ease of doing business. And third, sector specific achievement. The first, foreign direct investment. In short, it is called as FDI. FDI inflow was 160.79 billion US dollars. I repeat, I'm sorry. FDI inflow was 160.79 billion US dollars in between 2014 and 2017. In 16 and 17, FDI inflow stood at the record of 60 billion US dollars, highest ever recorded for the fiscal year. Second, ease of doing business. According to World Bank Group's Doing Business 2018 report, India's rank has jumped 30 places. India now ranks 100th of World Bank's ease of doing business ranking out of 190 countries. This has been possible due to simplification and rationalization of rules and regulations relating to granting government permits, getting credit, paying taxes, etc. The third achievement, sector specific achievement. Some of the sector specific achievements are: FDI in aviation grew 6 times. 7 mega food processing parks made operational. Pharmaceutical industry grew by 29%. Electricity generation grew by 5.8%. These are the achievements of Make in India initiative. This of course this can be even asked for short notes question, that is the last question is asked in the examination. So this can be also 5 marks. Make in India, so you have to write what are the objectives of Make in India and then what are the achievements of Make in India. Now moving on to the second initiative for sustainable development, that is Skill India. Skill India was launched in July 2015 with the aim to train over 40 crore people in different skills by 2020. The main goal of the program is to create opportunities and scope for developing potential talent and skills of the youth and enhance their capacity to be either employed or self-employed. It includes various government initiatives. They are National Skill Development Mission. The mission has been developed to create covering across sector and states in terms of skill training activities. Second, National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015. The objective of the policy is to meet the challenges of implementing Skill India initiative, and it aims at providing common skilling standards, all skilling activities carried out in the country. Third, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. This is a scheme for skill training of youth to be implemented by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship through the National Skill Development Corporation. The next, Skill Loan Scheme. The scheme was launched in 2015 to support youth who wish to go through skill training programs in the country. The last one, Rural India Skill. These are the 5 programs that you have to give under Skill India. And the last now, here we need not have to give any achievements or any criticism, nothing. Only you have to give these 5 programs in Skill India, that's all. Next, Invest India. Invest India is the official agency dedicated to promote and facilitate investment in India. It was set up in 2010 as a joint venture between FICCI and DIPP, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and the state governments. It aims to become first reference point for global investors interested in investing in India. It provides sector-specific and state-specific information to foreign investors. An investor facilitation sale has been launched on the Invest India portal in September 2015 to guide and assist investors. That's all. These are the 3 points, 3 initiatives that you have to write. I'll go back once again. I'll revise. The first point you have to write about Make in India, MII. In that the 4 key areas to promote the manufacturing and entrepreneurship. The 4 point you have to give. Then the achievements of MII, and the next Skill India and Invest India. This is the explanation for the initiatives for sustainable development in India. Thank you, students.